Digital smell is considered as a useful step in expanding technology related to multisensory communication. Previous methods to activate the sensation of smell have several limitations. For example, it has lower controllability, expensive, need to be refilled, and complex. So, in this project, we developed a new interface where we can induce the electrical pulses on smell receptor and generate the smell sensation. We believe by using a weak electrical signal can trigger the smell receptor and generate the smell perceptions.
The sensitivity and effectiveness of electrical stimulation towards human smell receptors will be tested using a current control device. The intensity depending on each person's capacitance because different people have a different capacitance. The stimulation process including putting a pair of electrodes, silver electrodes inside the nose where it will touch the olfactory nerves. Generally, the smell-sensitive receptors are located near the olfactory bulb and nasal concha. Therefore, we mainly stimulate receptor cells in this area in purpose to trigger smell-related perception in the human brain. The placement of electrodes will be done with the help of a medical expert in a way that electrodes will not come off quickly. This electrode will be controlled by our own special design circuit that can deliver few milliamperes of current pulses to the smell-sensitive cells.
So let's take a closer look at our system. For example, if I press A, it will give the input duration for 1 kHz and the rate of stimulation is 0.5 Hz. The output frequency will be sent to this hardware system. This hardware system is powered by an adjustable DC power supply. Let me turn on this power supply. The voltage will be controlled using this knob. This controller circuit can produce electrical current ranging from 1 mA to 5 mA. Simply, I can use these push buttons and control the amount current used for stimulation. The output current will be sent to this electrode. When we do the stimulation, this silver electrode together with the endoscopic camera will be inserted inside the nostril and it will stimulate our olfactory receptor inside the nasal concha.
This is just the aspect we're going to insert the electrode, and it's going to be done with endoscopic camera, and the endoscopic camera is just going to help us to see inside the nasal concha. What the endoscopic camera does is to illuminate inside the body. And also it will also help us to see the picture of what is inside since we cannot see inside. I'm also going to use nasal spray. The function of the nasal spray is actually to minimize sneezing in case the participant is allergic to some things, and the nasal spray is going to help us minimize sneezing. So we just apply a little of the nasal spray. Then, before we proceed to inserting the electrode and the camera. So we're just gonna go a little deep. As we go deep, we monitor it with our monitor to see when we get to the actual area we are targeting to get to. And the actual area we want to get to is the superior or the middle concha, where we know we have the olfactory epithelium, which is also responsible for smell. Okay. When we do that, we keep on rotating the camera until we get to the actual target.
We hope in future we can develop a combined interface where we can regenerate the smell sensation using this device. This device will be useful for several industries like gaming, virtual reality, entertainment, and also online marketing.